What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the United 787-10 from NG models. In the previous video, you'll have seen the Gemini Jets version of the 787-10. These two videos are recorded on the same day, if anyone was wondering, but you're going to see them at different times. Either way, so here's the NG version, and I actually got this with points from during their exchange through their exchange mall when they had that open. So I did not actually have to pay for this. I paid like I think $5 for like shipping or whatever. But yeah, so it was one of those things where I just got the Gemini Jets version, and this popped up on the exchange, and I said, you know what, why not, right? Let's get another one. So here we have another one, different registration too, which is great. This is 12010 instead of the other one was 13014. So here we have it. That's why there's this like weird sort of packaging on it. It's actually wrapped. The box is wrapped in this sort of cling film. So we're gonna go ahead and actually just get this all off. Yeah, honestly, the exchange mall with NG been going great. There's been some fantastic models on offer at a decent number of points and everything. So it's great to see it. I think this has a card in it too. That's crazy. So yeah, here we go. We're gonna get this off. Here's the actual box. They really seal that. That's crazy. But yeah, here we go. Here's the box. Very, very nice. As you will have seen, the other model, like the box for the Gemini just was huge. And honestly, we're gonna bring that one in here, just to kind of show the model after, because I feel like this plane itself is smaller than theirs. But anyway, here's the box, looking very, very nice. I actually don't remember when this specific one was released, like what month and what batch this was, but yeah, it's been offered on the exchange program, I think twice, and I finally got it this time, so really excited and happy to have it. Let's go ahead and open this up. We do have a card as well. That's awesome. All right. Got the nice styrofoam packaging. Go ahead and get this out. Ooh. Here we go. Very, very nice. Very nice. Okay. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. There's the model. Looking very, very nice. Very happy to have this one as well. So yeah, let's get right on into it. Zooming in, cockpit area looks all fantastic in nose section. Same details apply on this one. You got the Starline logo, the little slogan, the L1 door. Gear looks pretty good. United titles, very, very nice. Obviously this nice long section between L1 and L2. And you got the antenna and the Wi-Fi box there on the top above L2. Engine looking really, really nice. These are, it's hard to see because of the lighting, but these are a bit more detailed than the Gemini versions because they're solid, from what I can tell. Wings and everything all about the same, looking fantastic. Everything looks really, really nice. L3 door here, and then at the back you got the American flag registration Dreamliner and L4. So, and then the Continental Globe tail right there. So very, very nice. Very, very nice. Really excited to have this one as well. And this side, actually, so the bulk bin door should be right there. Yep, there it is. And then this side, you got the main cargo doors up at the front here and at the back. So there you go. Very, very nice model. Very nice model. Very happy to have another one in the fleet. So I'm just going to go ahead and bring the Gemini version in. And overall, they actually look about the same size. Yeah, it looks pretty. They look pretty identical. I mean, it just because the Gemini Jets box is so much bigger. I don't know, as you can tell, they both look about the same. It's just the Gemini Jets box dwarfs or just like makes dwarfs the NG box. So it's crazy. It's crazy. But the planes are about the same size, so why they're, I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, there you have two 787s. We'll go ahead and put that other one out. You'll see the full review of that in the other video that came out before this one. But yeah, so here we have this model looking very, very nice. Highly recommend getting it. I don't know where you would be able to get it because I'm pretty sure it's sold out in most places, but they just have some stock that I don't think they made more for the exchange model. Maybe they did, I don't know, but either way, yeah. So there you have it. Actually, I forgot to show the bottom as well. There's the gear and everything. Everything looks fantastic. It all rolls and everything. So yeah, very nice model. Very happy to have it. And I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that, guys, I will see you on the next one. Take care.